Hey y'all, hey. Y'all already know. Welcome, 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 welcome. Now, whew, child. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's go ahead and get into this video. And I am going to say that I told you so. Now, I know it's a couple people that kept up on Sansaray. Okay? Was the one saying that she basically killed herself. And I did a video about it. Now, what I am going to say is, like I said, I never thought that she killed herself. I always thought that she was here. I always was like, wait a minute, it just didn't make sense. And the reasons why it didn't make sense was because she couldn't even stay dead. She was still trying to run her YouTube and think that she's fooling someone, but she clearly was not fooling me. All right. I'm pretty sure there were a lot of people like me that said the same. All right. And the reason why I felt that way was because of this. You say your family, you know, they go ahead and say that you're dead. Okay. From being bullied on YouTube. If Sansaray, wait a minute, don't get me wrong. I mean, I know they were coming at her throat. All right. So she said that it was basically just becoming too much. You mean to tell me that YouTube was becoming too hard for you? What you needed to do, Sansaray, was go ahead and sit down somewhere. But to literally go ahead and talk about you are dead, to have people thinking that you are dead, to have people have sympathy, empathy, I mean, they were totally upset. Totally. You had people, and I'm not going to say because it made no sense to me at all, you had people calling the funeral homes to see if they had your body. And they did not. And I didn't get people. I'm like, y'all don't understand that this lady is not dead. This lady is somewhere sitting down quiet because what she wants to do is go away from social media for a while and pop back up. And that is exactly what this young lady did. She had a lot of y'all out there looking real crazy. Real crazy, okay? I mean, she had people calling this place. It was people calling that place. It was people calling, girl, it was just a mess, all right? And they sat there, the people that were doing this, it's not funny, but they sat there and made it their life to get up in the morning, to call whoever who, to go and look at the videos. I mean, it was just crazy. It really was. Now, my thing of it was, I said, everybody's like, well, why do you think she's not dead? I said, it's common sense that she's not dead. If Sansaray was dead, and she was dead because of being bullied on YouTube. It does not take an Einstein to understand it. First, let me say, for you to go ahead and fake your death, I'm going to be honest. There's literally something wrong with you. You could have, I mean, it was that was totally unacceptable. You had your subscribers, you had other people that are even in the bushes feeling sorry for you. And there was nothing wrong. Nothing wrong at all. I always told this to people. If Sansaray was bullied while on YouTube, and she was, okay, but if she was bullied to the extent where she says that they wanted her to kill herself, and she did kill herself, do you know how many news outlets that would have got? Do you know how many channels and all types of stuff that YouTube would have looked in to go ahead and delete the people channels that were harassing her? Exactly. If that was true, it would have been a whole new YouTube. You are being bullied. That would have been on every outlet. We didn't see nothing about her. People that were nosy, they were going researching on you. They couldn't find anything about you being dead. All I can say, Sansa Ray, is that you have to be a special type of person to go ahead and play the scenario that you are dead. That right there, I'm going to tell you, that did not sit well with me at all. Not at all. One thing you don't play about is death, okay? You don't play about death. And when I noticed that's really what you were doing, it made me look at you in a different light. It made me look at you like, this person is absolutely crazy. Under everything. The lady is crazy. All right. So what I'm wondering is, did your son's father know what you were doing? Well, I'm pretty sure, because you were doing it for a while. Then on top of that, he had to get his kids. So I'm pretty sure that he had seen it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it was just crazy to me. I'm looking at the TV. I'm looking at my phone like, she really, really just coming back from the dead. What do y'all think on that? I mean, I'm still keep saying it. I was very, very uncomfortable with that. Like I said, you should not play with death at all. Not at all. That's just not a good look, Sansa Ray. Not at all. I mean, you had a lot of people that were in your corner, and you turn around and do that. I mean, like I said, people, what do you think? Would you have ever faked your death because you felt as though people were cyber bullying? And also, Sansa Ray, I have seen some videos where you are bullying too. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Totally crazy. But y'all, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and get off of this video. I got some things that I need to actually embark on. But like I said, that right there, I mean, it was just so much, it was poor taste. And the reason why I keep on stressing this or whatever is because you literally had people out there thinking you were dead. Some of the people that ride for you, they probably was crying. And you over here faking, and you're not even dead. Where do they do that at? How do you feel in your heart that you did that? I mean, can you sleep good at night knowing that you lied to hundreds and hundreds of people? I mean, it's just like, to a certain point, like, I don't understand. I don't understand. And I need y'all to help me understand, okay? Like I said, would y'all have done the same thing that she did? Or would y'all have walked away for a minute and basically just told YouTube, yeah, I'm gonna be back, give me like a little month, because these people on here, they are fucking nuts. Yeah. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Later.